Hi students, and welcome to our next lesson. We are going to be on section 4, and we're going to be looking at Andrew Jackson and some of the different issues that he had to come against. So we are going to first be talking about Andrew Jackson versus bureaucracy, and this is the same as government or governing. Okay, so Andrew Jackson approach to governing was much like how he led his army. He listened to others, but then in the end he did what he thought was right. So Jackson did not rely on the cabinet that he came into as president, the Washington, D.C. cabinet, for advice at all. In fact, he made most of his decisions with the help of his trusted friends and loyal supporters. Because these loyal friends and supporters used to meet in the White House kitchen, they were known as the kitchen cabinet. So the rich men who would influence the government viewed this kitchen cabinet as not proper. They were the type of men that should be helping the president, and they thought they also said lies and just were not trusted at all. All right, so then the next thing we have is something called the spoils system. And so the people who opposed Jackson got really upset because he decided to replace a lot of Republicans with his supporters and loyal Democrats. And so most of these people, or Republicans, viewed their position as lifetime jobs, that they were going to have these positions for the rest of their life. And Jackson disagreed with that. He believed that it was more democratic to rotate people in and out of government and to give them a chance to serve their government. And so this really made a lot of people mad because they, again, thought that these were going to be positions that they had for a long time. And this was known as the spoils system. So the spoils system basically means, is a term or a saying that means to the victor belongs the spoils or prizes of war. So his opponents believed that he was giving political favors, basically, or rewarding them with jobs. So, and some of these were probably accurate, but some of them were not accurate either. Some of these sayings or things that they said about Jackson and the spoils system. One actually person that he replaced had been charged with stealing like $10,000 from the Treasury. So of course he should be fired and somebody else should be replaced with that. So it wasn't that he replaced everybody just because they were Republicans with that. So that is our Jackson versus bureaucracy, or Jackson versus the government or approach to governing. Okay, so now you are going to do section 4 for homework today. Section 4 looks like this. So what you're going to do is add some dialogue or some a sentence basically saying what an upper class might say about Jackson's approach to governing, what a common person, sorry, the upper class is over here, what a common person would say. And again, remember, Jackson is the common type, the common person. And then you're to use these words, civil servant and spoils system, within your speech bubbles that you are preparing here. Also, it says, do you think Jackson's approach to governing promoted democracy? Why or why not? Okay, so that's another part I would like you to fill in. Remember, this is a PDF, and so this will be on Teams and it will be attached, but you will need to make sure that you come over here and you do your, and you guys are really good at this, like I said before, you're going to mark this up, fill and sign, I believe it is, and you will need to go ahead, do your fill and sign, and then you're going to have to do a file save as for this because PDFs do not save on there. And save it like section 4, social studies section 4, and then submit that in on Teams. So you're going to have to attach your work with this one. Okay, kiddos? I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.